Hello, my name is Scott Palermo.
And I am James Zanuck, and we are with Harcourt's Desert Homes in beautiful Palm Springs, California. Welcome to our newest listing located at 88 Desert Lakes Drive in the beautiful Seven Lakes Country Club in South Palm Springs, the only full-service country club in all of the city of Palm Springs.
James, get ready. We're about to see some amazing mid-century modern architecture designed by Richard Harrison and Donald Wexler. You know what? It's time to go inside and take a look at this amazing property.
So let's do it.
This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home seamlessly blends timeless style with modern upgrades. Polished concrete floors, a chic kitchen with stone countertops, and a spa-inspired primary bath create a sophisticated yet comfortable living space. Expansive floor-to-ceiling glass doors open to a private courtyard, framing stunning golf course and mountain views, perfect for entertaining or unwinding in the desert sun. This property is highly upgraded with a newer roof, windows and sliders, HVAC, water heater, and main water line. This home offers worry-free living.
As a Seven Lakes Country Club resident, indulge in resort-style amenities like 24/7 guard-gated security, a William Cody-designed clubhouse with restaurant and bar, and Tad Robinson-designed golf courses, 15 pools and 15 spas, and serene lakeside patios.
We hope you've enjoyed this amazing tour of the Seven Lakes Country Club, from the fabulous Santa Rosa, Mount San Jacinto mountain ranges to the 15 pools and spas. This property has it all.
So if you're looking for a full-time residence, a second home, or vacation property, this property checks all the boxes, including mid-century modern architecture at Seven Lakes Country Club. So if you'd like to see this property in person, please contact us today and begin your Palm Springs lifestyle experience.